Hello, my name is Paige McCormick, and my team was tasked with creating logos for the Flawless Beauty Company for their expansion into the Indian market. Today, I will be presenting the proposed designs for the American and Indian logos. As for size, minimalistic design choices were chosen to make sure that they can easily be resized without losing the identification of the image. The size of the logo is very important as it must be able to be used in both large and small surfaces to advertise for the company. According to Robin Landa, contrast is very important to consider when concerning size because you want the viewers to notice the difference between the graphical elements. For the color schemes of both logos, I chose classic and primary colors, black, red, and blue. The traditional black mascara and red lip in both logos is the most traditional beauty look in history. The color blue in the Indian culture represents power, magnificence, bravery, stable mind, and depth of character. Where the color red in Western cultures represents energy, passion, and love. The color black in many cultures represents sophistication, formality, and fierceness. The female face is part of the logo to symbolize the concept and object of beauty when represented on the products. Red lipstick has to be one of the most classic and traditional beauty looks dating back to ancient Egypt. A quote from Sarah Idakavage is, "Diamonds are a girl's best friend, and red lipstick is her fearless ally." Red lipstick may be one of the most powerful symbols of female beauty and sexuality in the Western world. Now, in Indian culture, jewelry has a significant meaning, as Indian women can be judged by the amount of jewelry they acquire throughout their life. Jewelry increases the beauty of a woman. Traditionally, having a good collection of jewelry symbolizes power, good status, and wealth. The significance of the tika, or headdress, which is worn on the woman's forehead, which is believed to be the place of chakra, which refers to preservation, were added into the Indian logo. The elements selected for each logo were carefully researched to effectively capture the attention of the Indian customers and communicate the company's message. The design elements of size, color, symbol, and iconic meaning come together to form a code within that culture that would not be able to be seen when looking at the American logo. The research conducted by this team to create this logo are what we recommend to be used if you wish to effectively attract the eye of the female Indian customer in India.